Hello friends, I'm Aisha. Today I learned profit and loss. How to find profit percent and loss percent and profit and loss. So let's start. I make a variable. My variable name is cost price A. This is a product of A, and product of A value is 120. Cost price B is 150. Okay, I write selling price A is equal to int input enter the enter the selling price of selling price of cost price selling price of A. Okay, if cost price the person is print the selling price of A, or if CP, I mean cost price A big than sale price, loss, print loss, loss of RS cost price A minus cost price sale price A. Print loss of I the loss the cost price minus sale price is the loss of product A. And I find a loss percentage. So I write cost price A minus sale price A and divide cost price A into 100 and print more. So the computer print loss percent. Else print profit. Uh, if sale price big, then cost price. So profit of RS sale price A minus sale price B. I mean A. The computer print profit of RS. Sorry, product A. Profit of product A. And I find profit loss. So I write profit RS. Sorry, profit of sale price A minus cost price A divide by cost price A minus into 100. I find cost price B profit and loss. So I write sale price B is equal to int input enter selling price of product B. So I write only B. If cost price B bigger than sale price B, print loss. Okay, the person person write the selling price of B. If cost price bigger than sale price, so print loss. I write loss of RS. Sale cost price, my cost price underscore B minus cost sale price underscore B. Print so computer print the loss of product B. I find loss percent. So I write loss of only loss of cost price underscore B minus sale price underscore B divide by 100. Sorry, cost price B into 100 and print mode. I mean percent. Else print profit. So sale price bigger than cost price. So print the profit. Profit of RS sale price underscore B minus cost price underscore B. Print so computer print profit. So I find the profit percent. So I write profit mm, profit of cost price sales price underscore B minus cost price underscore B divide by cost price B into 100. I write mode. So let's run. My selling price is 150. So profit of my there's a get a Python error. I kernel. So let's run. Huh. My profit is my cost price selling price of A is 200. Profit of R is 0. I write there I write cost price. Cost price. So let's run. There problem for Python register. So my sale price is 150. The profit of I is 30 and profit of 50%. My selling price B is 100. This is just sorry. My cost price is 100 200. Profit is 80. Profit of 100%. And the selling price the my product selling price of B is 200. Profit is 50. Profit of 100%. My cost selling price is 100. The loss of R is 20 and loss of 26%. My selling price of B is 100. Loss of R is 50, loss of 83%. Thank you.